Sngi hadien bakaseng Hnlc kala weng no naka Jingiakren Iasuk pat ka sorkar naka liang state president ka BJP Rikman Momin mynta ka sngi ka tarik kyllalyngkot hajar pusau ula Kyntu ya kaseng kieng atiar ka Hnlc bahkan wan ka Miej ka Jingiakren Iasuk la kalong bat ka sorkar jylla ni sorkar pdeng ula ongru ba ka jylla hi ka donkam ya ka jingshong shongsaiñ.
We need a peace. As a whole, we need the peace. So we will request HNLC to come forward to have a peace talk with the state government, or central government directly. It's up to we as a human being and as a state, we need peace because now it's at least. According to me, yesterday only we saw in the paper that last night only I heard that they're withdrawing. So I don't have any comment on that first. Let us verify that. We'll let you know. Yes, we are concerned. We need peace. No, that's why I'm telling we need peace. That I will not able to comment it right now.
This militant organization and party. We are party. So militant organization, they have to talk with the state government, maybe central government, that is up to them. But as state president clearly said that we want peace, and we also appeal to our militant organization to come forward and join in the mainstream and maintain the peace. That must only. Because it is up to him. If they like, he can join. If he doesn't like, what to do? That is up to him only, not with the BJP. Yeah. Take it. We have another.